Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Audi Q7. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a premium quality Q7 that offers the space, safety, and luxury your family deserves. From its roomy cargo capacity, to its all-weather capability, to its top-notch interior, this quiet, confident driving machine makes the journey all it can be. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, leather steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, intermittent wipers, floor mats, tire pressure monitoring system, leather seats, bucket seats. Feel the joy of luxury in this impeccable Q7. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.